So this is a video for my teammates in the Misters of Zimbabwe competition in particular. However, it's going to be useful to everyone, so I'm going to just post it on my regular YouTube channel. I'm going to call it Nevermind, the tutorial. And the idea is you got beaten up, so never mind. Whatever happens to you, never mind. Walk through a minefield. Walk through a raging battle as the bullets fly past you and go where you're going. Like my team got defeated in our first group task, which is the runway challenge. I'm not sure why we were defeated, but anyway, it could be a number of different things. But I'll tell you what. The reason why it's important to say never mind is it keeps you in the fight. Yeah? You can still win from behind if you say, okay, never mind. And then you glance it off and you continue fighting. There's lots of fights which have been won from behind. If you look at boxing matches, UFC, mixed martial arts matches, so on and so forth, where the people were devastated in the beginning. They boxed his head off for most of the fight. But because he had the grace with which to say, never mind, later on he could come back. And the moment of truth still presented itself. So it's important to be able to take a hit and say, never mind. This is how winning is done.